Hello everyone, welcome back to 3 Minutes of Pandas series. In today's episode, we will be talking about visualization with Matplotlib library. So what is Matplotlib? Matplotlib is a Python library for creating static, animated and interactive visualization. It is very powerful library. It can be used to create a wide varieties of plot including line chart, bar chart and histogram and more. So why we use Matplotlib? So there are few reasons why you might want to use Matplotlib to visualize your data. First, it is very powerful library and it can be used to create a wide variety of plot. Second, Matplotlib is very easy to use even if you are not Python expert. Third, Matplotlib is very well documented. So if you get stuck, you can usually find help online. So let's move to our example. So our data set is having name, age, gender, income, 4 column. We will be plotting our charts into this data set. Let's run this data set. So this is my data set. Data frame, I've converted this data into data frame. Now I'll use first scatter chart. So simply since I have created this matplotlib as plt, I'll go to plt. Sorry, here I go to plt and then scatter, and I will provide x-axis and the y-axis. So x-axis will be age and y-axis will be income, and then c equals to red, which will be indicating that I'll want my scatter plot will be on red color. So and for adding a title, we simply write plt.title and then title and the x label and the y label. If I will run plt.show, so it will show me this scatter chart. So the scatter chart is a good choice for this data because it allows us to see the relationship between two variables, even if the relationship is not linear. In this case, the scatter chart shows that there is a positive correlation between age and income, meaning that as age increases, income tends to increase as well. So let's move to bar chart. For bar chart also, it is simple. We need to write plt.bar and the x-axis. So here we are providing the relationship between for the gender, the distribution of the gender. So for x-axis, I'm writing df gender dot unique value from the gender column, and the df gender dot value counts. I'm counting the number of genders. Okay, so and then for the title, distribution of gender, x label and will be gender and the y label will be number of people, and then plt.show. If I will show you, so here you can see the distribution of gender, that male has number of males are higher into this data set and the females compared to females. So I hope you like this video for the video on visualization of Matplotlib using Matplotlib. I'll connect with you in the next video. I hope you are liking this series. I would request you to subscribe my video and like the videos. Thank you. We will meet you in next.